Hey everyone, welcome back to another important video. Now be sure to watch this video until the end so you don't lose your tokens and wallet. I'm very serious with this video. Also like this video so others can see this. But what we're going to be talking about today is not the price itself. Overall, we're very bound to Bitcoin so far, and this is something I'll get later on. We're going to be talking about something you should be very of. So obviously the founder of Shiba Inu actually made a statement on something I have to read out over here. So the price overall is looking pretty okay if we consider, the Bitcoin changes and Ethereum changes, but very important, the Shiba airdrop app on Google Play Store is a scam. Please report it to have it removed, and also always there is no airdrop, no bonus, and no Shiba support or admins that will DM you. There is fake Ryoshi, stop getting scammed. Going to keep the chat muted for a while so everyone can read this. If you want to have intelligent discussion, go to the leash chat. For now, see sticky for link. Also, to address the latest FUD, Shiba is a decentralized ecosystem. All the devs are giving their time for free for you, and obviously he's saying here that he is giving his own time without getting paid. That is one big thing about Shiba Inu. Like, all developers don't have an incentive other than helping the community, and many of you own more Shib and leash than the dev team itself. So people have been saying about the rug pull, about the scam. So how are you gonna do a rug pull if the community owns more the Shib and leash than the devs? Shiba swap is real and in progress and will release as soon as we know is safe. It's almost finished and going to the other servers again shortly. Building the future of decentralized meme finance is not easy. Thank you for your patience. So obviously we could be seeing a lot more in the future going on overall. Like, it seems very likely that it's almost finished and we're getting, more updates pretty much soon. And a lot of people have been calling Shiba Inu a scam because nothing has been releasing. And, people still think after such announcements, that Shiba Swap itself is a scam. And when you place your coins, you lose the coins itself. That is not what is happening. And I mean, a lot of people have been investing, $20 and got back 500. A lot of people have been, buying Lambos with Shiba Inu already. But it seems like still a lot of people don't trust this coin because right now they're seemingly updating it. Now, what we're going to be talking about is something else very important, and that is how many scams there are out there. I got messages of people scammed by airdrops and giveaways, and be sure to watch out for this, otherwise you can lose your coins. Like, this is a very important video. Also, some of the accounts that promote these are Shiba Bonus, Shiba Airdrop, Shiba Token Drop. Never trust anyone else than Shib Informer and Shiba's official Twitter and Reddit. Like, Shiba's official Twitter is the only thing you should actually trust, and their official Telegram. Nothing else, nothing else. You always help by reporting them. There's ons particularly hard to kill, and when there's money, there's also scams. And some of these scam people have lost all their savings, everything they have put into Shiba Inu, hoping it would grow. Then they invested in crypto to these scams. Why the world has to be so dark, he told me, and that is messed up, man. Like, the community, whoever is doing such scams, that's really messed up. The community should send Shib to them. It will just send 1 million Shib to continue the support and reclaim their savings. There should be identified and put on Discord channel for support. Obviously, people getting scammed a lot, and you must report some scams because a lot of people, like thousands of dollars, were scammed so far. And that's really horrible. And this is also important so you don't lose your wallet. Never send tokens to a token address. Your funds will be lost. If you move your funds from an exchange, always target your wallet address. In case of Shib Leash, an ERC20 compatible one. I have known a very costly mistake when this has happened, and possibly someone lost a lot. So give us an example of wallets. A wallet is identified by strings of letters and numbers. MetaMask, Coinbase, Trust Wallet are not your wallet. There are programs to operate your wallet, and your secret keys are how you prove is yours. Keep them secret and don't tell them to anyone, otherwise you will lose. So they are not your wallet, they're just programs to operate them, and that's very important. A contract ID and a wallet look very similar, so it's hard not to be confused. You need to do your transaction always knowing what you're doing. In order to transfer Shib from MetaMask to Trust Wallet to Shiba Swap, do you need to have Ethereum? And yes. So obviously there's a lot of things coming up for Shiba Swap, but always keep your wallet secret, otherwise you will, and I promise it's most likely gonna happen. You're gonna be losing all of your investment. lose your coins. So definitely keep an eye out for that, because this is like pretty important. Your funds will be lost if you send tokens to a token address. If you want to move your funds from exchange, always target your wallet address. So another thing that's pretty important is yesterday we had a discussion of Shiba Inu $1, and I don't think that Shib can reach $1 in the current markets. It's all about market caps to me. However, this is a valid point for a major publication, so it's worth to share it with the Shib army. And well, this article I posted had a weird change of title. This was the one I linked originally. I won't delete the previous tweet because it's still a valid opinion. So analyst warns Doge token has no real purpose, and this when will Shiba Inu reach $1? So we have to check this later on, but we're increasing our efforts to find the scammers with a dedicated team. In the meantime, don't forget to check the report scammers link in my profile. We have a list of fake sites in here. Check it if you support the site, and do not go to these sites because you will lose everything. Like everything so far, all of these are fake, and they're working. The team is very much working. All of these sites are fake. Do not connect your wallet or interact with them, so do not even go on them because you will lose your wallet and your coins and potentially money. Holders of Shib before late April 2021 should be rewarded with an airdrop of Bone for their loyalty. And obviously we have a lot more information that I want to go through today. That's really important. There's also a massive partnership that I want to be talking about in a later video. So we also have Shiba Inu coin analyst warns you Doge token has no real purpose, won't be Dogecoin. Shiba Inu token is taken by storm, emerging from the shadow of Dogecoin are the next meme Tikro. Analysts, however, are unconvinced Shiba Inu has the momentum to win the Doge race. And obviously we got to read through it because we're such a channel, and it's below the level of Dogecoin right now, and the virtual token is nearly 30% down in the last 24 hours in a market that's seen red almost entirely across the board. The global crypto market are down 9%, and even Bitcoin holders are feeling bearish, with Bitcoin down more than 10%. Dogecoin has also failed a retreat, with plans to push the meme coin past the elusive $1 barrier looking increasingly unlikely. So of course it will take massively more time to actually get the coin listed to $1 for Dogecoin, and when Dogecoin gets to $1, Shiba Inu should follow. It should be imminent, like maybe not $1, but 1 cent is very much likely. Shiba Inu, the self-proclaimed Dogecoin killer, has spiked this year by more than 2 million%, presenting a potentially lucrative investment option for crypto amateurs. And yes, it's definitely a good option so far. The token was more than 2,000% this week alone, thanks to a concentrated effort to push Shib past 1 cent. And despite the latest dip, traders seem undeterred, with social media flooded with calls to buy the dip and to hold on for dear life. If Shib weathers the storm, there might be room for profit further down the line, but this is also the biggest danger and pitfall Shiba Inu owners face, a crypto expert has claimed. And though both coins feature a smiling Shiba Inu dog as their mascot, some experts believe only one of these tokens is a serious proposition for long-term crypto enthusiasts. So we got to check this video out.
With the markets today, just like GameStop, look, it's cult, it's liquidity from stimulus checks, it's pure speculation, and it will end badly.
Well, do you think it's like the game we all used to play as kids, right? I mean, musical chairs. I mean, at some point, the music ends and somebody is standing without the chair. Do you think Dogecoin, it sounds like you do, is simply just, I'm going to sell it to you at a higher price because I can until it stops going up? Let's just keep doing this.
Yeah, look, at least, Brian, with musical chairs, at least there was a chair. There's no chair here. There's nothing here. I said this is pure speculation, and there's a lot of examples of this all across the markets, actually all around the world, where people are literally using the gamification of markets as an excuse to quote unquote invest. It's not investing. It's not even trading. It's just pure Ponzi-nomics. And we've kind of socialized this whole idea that it's okay.
So obviously he's calling it a Ponzi, but then again, I mean, this could be it. But yes, all cryptos are risky right now until they get utility. Right now, yes, it's a huge Ponzi. It might be. I mean, a lot of people are buying in. It's no more a Ponzi. It's becoming a community coin. According to Anthony Portnow, founder of Traders of Crypto, Shib is one of the many altcoins hoping to ride the tailcoats of Dogecoin's success. Unfortunately, that makes Shib an incredibly volatile and potentially explosive investment in option. The crypto expert said while Doge was around for many years and has actual merit as a one fun coin, Shiba Inu is far manipulative and cynical asset. Again, has no real purpose or use case other than to make founders money and has been created with a huge supply allowing for a very low price per coin. And I hope that people who don't understand these things will think it's cheap relative to Doge. So how is it going to make founders money? I do not know if it's, a community coin. It's also unclear who is behind the coin and what circulating supply is, which both are red flags to any sensible investors. While it's good to see cryptocurrency breaking new boundaries and coming into mainstream, it's important to make sure you have an educated decision on whether to invest and see how hard it invests benefits that come with the Shiba Inu coin. Whatever you're looking to buy your first cryptocurrency or looking to diversify your portfolio, you should consider the risk involved. The crypto markets are very volatile and more driven by speculation. This makes any investment of your part on a big risk, and you should never invest more money than you're prepared to lose, and all high risk and speculative investment. He doesn't really say what happens, when Shiba Inu gets utilities is my part, like my take on it. Like, we're getting so many updates and people are saying, that Shiba Inu, yes, it's very unlikely that it reaches $1. People don't think it will reach $1, and I don't. I said it will reach $1. Someone says Shib is likely to reach $1 according to analysts, but could take some time because it's unlikely to happen overnight. I think it's possible, but I don't think it will happen. I think it will make people rich if they even reach 1 cent. It will make people rich if it reaches 10 cents. It doesn't need to reach $1 like Dogecoin to actually be big, but that's the whole thing. The Shiba Inu coin appears to have been created just to give Dogecoin a run for its money, and obviously these articles are not that exact as they're talking, because it's just silly to me. You should do research that when utility comes out, Shiba Inu is going to be having a massive advantage, but that again is not financial advice. That is only my opinion. And when it has more utility than Dogecoin, when it can be used for multiple swaps, when it has NFTs, that's when things get real. That's when Shiba Inu is not just a Dogecoin fun gag, but is actually a bit more than that. Definitely do let me know your comments down below, because investors should treat trading cryptocurrency with extreme caution, and that's definitely true. There are major differences between the likes of Bitcoin, who runs on cutting-edge tech and has limited supply given its scarcity value like gold, amongst other valuable attributes, and unknown digital tokens which seemingly have no inherent value. Yeah, that's true. Like, right now, Shiba Inu has no value at all, okay? Yeah, but a lot of people have invested in it because they know that it will have at least some value in the future. Now, do drop a like on this video, and see you until next time. Peace, guys.